an FYI, you're gonna have to share my whole later. I wanted to see the MetaMask popping up. So I have two screens, and I didn't want to add one right now because I have one over there. But I didn't want to add it just earlier. So I'm just gonna throw Slack down. When I share, I'll probably throw you down here as well. So I can see you on my mobile phone, though. I won't see you on my screen, so I might miss. What's gonna happen? How embarrassing can it get? Unless it's just like, well, can you hear me or? I see the two of them. Yeah, I'm ready when you are. Should I? I'm not gonna have YouTube on here because that's just gonna distract me. So I'll just let you do the.
We're doing it. We're doing it live.
We're doing it.
Yeah, we are. Hello, hello. My name's Joey Janishek. We're doing a little bit of an experiment here, so please be patient with us. Um, got our main man, Dottie. Dottie, who are you? How you doing?
The big question straight off the bat. No softballs.
No.
I'm head of product at Darkblock. That's my main title in life,
Yeah, you are.
the one I carry with pride. And yeah, I'm very happy to be head of product at Darkblock. I am also Icelandic. I'm a product designer. I live in Lisbon. I ran a design studio in Berlin for a few years. Um, yeah, my background's in design, photography. Studied photography when I was a young lad, early 20s, searching for a direction in life that meant something to me. And so when somebody gave me a thumbs up, like, "Whoa, that's a cool photo. Those are cool photos," then I'm like, "Oh, okay. I guess I'm going to be a photographer." And then that leads. You go you start on the path of self-discovery, and that's led me here. And I think that's a great backstory.
Holy smokes. You were chasing likes and thumbs ups and comments, and now you're the king of product.
Exactly. What is fulfillment in life other than an appreciation of those around you, telling you that you're okay?
Dude, we just got shot out of a cannon. We're going deep. This is Dalai Lama territory. Can everybody hear us? If folks in Slack just want to give me a thumbs up that they can actually hear both of us, that'd be awesome. Um, my name is Joey Janishek. I'm in Austin, Texas, which is on the surface of the sun for the next 3 months. Um, I'm the CTO. Okay. Handling software from many different perspectives. Have a genius team that makes me look like $1,000,000, and they've got my back. And I'm an old software guy. I apologize for the horrible mustache. My beloved Boston Celtics are in the finals today. I need them to win, and we're at the point where facial hair is somehow going to tilt it in my favor. Um, all right, what we're going to do today is kind of a little bit of show and tell. Dottie's been working on a bunch of secret, amazing stuff that we've launched about a couple weeks ago. And Dottie, maybe we take a step back. What is a dark block, and what does it mean to all the NFT creators and owners that are listening? The thousands, the millions.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a good question. So, Darkblock is at its core decentralized protocol for unlockable content. So Web3 has a lot of very interesting stuff happening. We had Bitcoin in the beginning, and then we've got Ethereum, so we got smart contracts, and we got DeFi summer, and then last summer we had JPEG summer, and everybody thought it was going to be me included DeFi Summer Part Two, but no, culture, tokenized culture is something that people care about, and so NFTs unlock a lot of new pathways for creators and culture to manifest. And but it's early. We're still very early. Like the meme says, it's so early it hurts. And there's a lot of stuff that needs to be built, a lot of infrastructure. So our CEO, Chris, our founder, and Jeremy, also his cousin, they were brainstorming and they came up with this idea that you can use NFTs for a lot of things. You could also, but at the core, everything's on the chain, on blockchain, so you can see everything. OpenIP is amazing. It's a great kind of, it's a really good kind of flag for like what Web3 is all about. Open source, OpenIP, but but if you add unlockable content to that, then you have even more stuff you can do. So you can piggyback onto NFTs with basically access control, token gating. You can call this various things. So what Darkblock is a protocol where you can basically upload content that gets encrypted, stored on Arweave forever. The protocol runs also on Arweave without getting too much into the weeds here, but and then those assets get connected to the NFT, and so whoever holds the NFT has access to that content and no one else. Mm-hmm. And so that is at its core what a Darkblock is. And then on top of that, we want to build a lot of other things, like rental, for example, where you can, for a price or for whatever the creator wants, you can get access to that thing. So the owner then becomes incentivized to getting a cut of that revenue of whatever it is, to be incentivized to share, not only for clout and strengthening your brand or for your friends or whatever, but also a monetary incentive. So curation becomes actually like a thing, and you have this ownership, the ownership of the creators and the community who holds the NFTs. So that will become shared. So yeah, Darkblock is just kind of is a piece in the puzzle of unlocking all of this potential. And I'm so excited to be able to show you how this things works, how it works here in our web app and the products that we've been building to kind of unlock this, get the MVP out there, get people get their hands on it.
So you're dead on. For crypto, we've wandered the desert for years. It was Bitcoin, Ethereum walks in. NFTs are the killer app. There are so many ways to utilize an NFT. From our angle is people who create content don't want their IP, don't want the movie file, don't want the 3D model stolen. Right-click save and used by other folks. We allow dark blocks to be associated with an NFT, and what's inside the dark block is only available to the owner of the NFT. We unlock the creators, we unlock the marketplaces, and then when we get down the road with rental, we're going to unlock the owners of NFTs, and then the whole ecosystem on the way up. Awesome. Great start. You want to do some show and tell? I know you're itching. You're a share screen kind of guy.
Yeah, let's just jump in. I mean, the demo is always the most powerful way to help people wrap their brains around how this works. Yeah. So I'm going to share my screen here, but give me 3 seconds.
No problem.
Because I'm going to share my entire screen. So that I want to share my entire screen because I want you to see when my wallet is popping up here on the browser. So if I'm just showing the browser, you won't get that. So here we are on app.darkblock.io. This is our web app.
Hey, are you showing vaporware here? Are these just Photoshop comps?
No, this is a real website. How can I prove it? Can I load it or
I watched a lot of infomercials. So I'm that person in the infomercial. I asked the
This questions. Is live. This is live. Yeah, as live as it gets. And yeah, so the mothership is darkblock.io. There you can go and find more info general about the project and see who the team is, etc. We're working on updating that website right now, but yeah, you can go there. But here we have the app, and so we built this app so that we are building a protocol. But we are building tools on top of the protocol, leveraging the protocol to get people to understand what they can do. Ultimately, we are building, and like Joey running that, you're running that, building all these code packages that devs and builders can and people that are doing NFT projects can take and build something with, integrate Darkblock decentralized unlockable content into marketplaces, or just into, people can take the viewer, because you need to be able to, so you make these dark blocks, but then you need to be also be able to decrypt them and access them, and deliver them for you, and for you to be able to access them and see them. So how we build these tools to be able to demo and show. So the web app is basically for that, but you can actually just use it to make dark blocks. There's nothing stopping you from doing that, and nobody from doing that. And Jungle Cats just did that today. They're releasing it's an auction going on right now. Jungle Cats is a massive project on Solana. They were thinking about how do we distribute this comic to all of our current NFT holders, So there's all these wonky ways, secret discords and QR codes taking you to some secret website, whatever. Ultimately, that's downloadable. It's not attached to NFT. The NFT doesn't really accrue any value. It's just kind of incentive for the person to hold the NFT a little bit longer so they can get access to that. But
so
here on Darkblock,
talking to developers, that's another stream in the future. Bragging about our partners and the amazing stuff. That's another. Tell me about content stacking. What you got?
Content stacking. Okay, yeah, let's do this. So 5 chains here. Let's choose one. Ethereum. Here we've got some NFTs. These NFTs that I minted. These are use cases. So, for example, here we've got Buddy254. This is a PFP project. I bought this NFT, and the creator of this project has come here to Darkblock and has uploaded these extra assets here that I have to authenticate my ownership to be able to access. So I will sign here with my wallet, proving that I am the owner, and then it's going to load. Oh, this is the merch code. I can go to their site and put this in, and I can get that awesome sweater. Oh, that's really cool. Maybe this is like a merch code it works forever, so the next person can get it as well. But we've got more stuff here. We've got like a high-res version of the PFP, so I can print it as a poster on my wall.
So what are we looking at here exactly? These are content?
So these are these are pieces of content that are encrypted, and they live on Arweave. So
who has access to these? Just anybody?
Only the owner. So somebody who, like, let me just reload this page, go back to the start state here. Anybody can go to this URL and they will land on the detail view here of this NFT. But if they are not the owner, they will not be able to authenticate. So because you need to be able to access these here, you cannot access them right now. They're locked. I can see they're here. So I'm going to be enticed. If I buy this NFT, I'm going to get all of these things as well. I'm going to get this movie. I'm going to get this comic. I'm going to get this song, and all this stuff. It's encrypted, but I can see it's there, but I can't access it. It's one click away, maybe 2 or 3. But here. Oh, if this NFT is not in my wallet, it will not open this content for me. So because I can access it. And so this here is what we call our viewer. This viewer lives in NPM packages that marketplaces can take and integrate into their marketplaces very easily. We've got embed codes that projects can take and just prompt straight in as well. So easy peasy.
So you got all these different formats. What formats do you allow inside of a Darkblock?
So that's very easy to show you here. I just wanted to show you here. We've got a nice 3D. We've got 3D. So that's one, GLB. So here, so who can add content to this? Only the creator. So obviously in this story, I'm not the creator, but in actuality, I am. I created this. So show and tell here. So here, if I'm the creator, I click on a button here and I can add more unlockable content. So, what am I doing here? I am doing content stacking. This is the new feature that we just pushed out now. Being able to put multiple assets. We only had one in the beginning. We've now unlocked many. We're calling it content stacking. So this, and they're all tied to the NFT. Wherever the NFT goes, whatever marketplace it goes on, these follow. So you can always, through the viewer, through a place that support, through a marketplace or any wallet that supports Darkblock, you can see these things. So we ultimately want to be everywhere. I want to take this 3D asset and I want to go into Decentraland and walk around this buddy 254. So, and as soon as another metaverse shows up that has a different file format, this project is going to drop that file to me here so I can go to that metaverse and be compatible with it. So that is the power that this unleashes. And so you're talking about file formats here. What are the supported file formats? Well, we've got a lot. And we've also got, we're limited a little bit here by our new website that we just launched on, but the API handles up to 1 gig, and we don't want to have any limit on that moving forward. So we can do music, audio files, we can do FLAC, we can do WAV, we can do video files, various formats, we can do 3D files, we can do all the different image types, and we can also do document files like PDF, so you can do a comic in spreads. We're going to add EPUB soon, so you can do ebooks, or you can do audiobooks with the audio files. So, you can drop chapters every week or every day. So, you upload the file right here. Maybe should we do one, Joey? Should we do one on the fly?
Let's do one. What you got?
Should we live risky? Just be risky. Oh,
doing it live.
Hang on. Let's add some more art here. I had got some really cool art from Jeremy's team here the other day. So I'm going to add that here. So this project is doing some music album, So this is the album art. They're dropping that early. So I'm going to write here, album art for our first album release. Great description. No typos. And I want this to be downloadable. This is an option. So this is on or off, decided by the creator. I want to allow download because I want them to be able to print this as a poster. So I'm going to allow that. So I'm going to sign here, create this. Now it's going to upload the file to Arweave, encrypt it, and boom, that did not take very long, did it? Not at all. So that's all for now. And then hopefully now I'm going to reload the page. And then on the back end, it should be there. But Joey, did do again, yeah? Oh my God.
Yeah, it was coming.
Oh my God. I'm going to throw up another just to be on the safe side.
Itchy double clicker. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to outer space and back.
But look, while it's just about up here, look at the other use cases I've got here. I just want to show a little bit of. We got Big Bad Bunny is like the run of the mill here movie, the Creative Commons movie. But here the public asset, the NFT, is just a poster for the movie. The unlockable asset is the movie. It's the behind the scenes. So here we have the movie in 700. So I can if I own this NFT, or if I rent this NFT, or if I rent the content coming Q3, the owner of this NFT could rent access to this movie. So movies unlocked with NFTs, like that's pretty amazing. We got here the Global NFT Summit that does not exist, but this is an example for conferences, parties can do digital swag bags. You've got all the merch, you've got all the t-shirts and the tote bags, that everybody has that. Nobody has NFT tickets that have unlockable content that you as the ticket holder can access. So we got the DJ, the closing party DJ mix. We got the secret QR codes and merch discounts and stuff. So, swag bags for parties. Ticketing is going to be huge. Coachella is going to drop videos and teasers to ticket holders.
I want to see what's inside Buddy 254.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, album art.
Yeah.
Let's unlock this thing.
Yeah.
We're running out of time. Am I blabbering here?
No, you're doing good. We're just doing show and tell, talking about
here we go.
Potential.
Yeah. There we go. So I just dropped that. That's that. So all we got collections. We can update collections. That just dropped as well. So all those PFP projects out there that have all these collections, you can upload one file. It's going to upload the whole collection. You can target traits as well. It's amazing. So only the ones that are holding are wearing red shoes. They're gonna get, the red shoe 3D thing. So that's kind of amazing.
I think there's a lot of different ways this could be remixed. It's really about the content creators. We're just building the tools and the protocol. So if you're a musician, instead of releasing your MP3s that anybody can right click and save, and somehow the contract is the thing of value, we think the content is the thing of value. We think the art is the thing of value. So you release the album as a cover. That's what shows up in OpenSea. And inside the dark blocks will be MP track 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And then the creator of the NFT, that artist, they can add, deluxe tracks. They can add additional content later on, to incentivize or reward their community.
So just to show you guys all the file formats, because I was blabbering some. Here we got the comic. This is in the PDF reader. I just showed you here. We got video down there. We got audio as well. So that plays here. I don't know if you hear the audio. This is a great track that I just made the other day. But you probably can't hear it because
your SoundCloud now. Is that what's going
on here? I'm using every opportunity. It's content creation, marketing strategies here that I'm learning from my colleagues. I'm just
You and Anthony Robbins. Yeah, that's awesome.
So that's basically it in a nutshell. Images, 3D files, audio, PDFs, videos, ebooks coming, comic book formats also coming. I'm going to support that very well, rigorously, and just we're going to iterate and improve the UX constantly. So I think this is something that content creators should check out at least, because you can do interesting things. And we're just guessing here, like what creators we're going to want to use this for. Always when it gets into the hands of the creators, they somehow manage to turn it upside down and do something totally something we didn't even think about. So
can I show off the mobile functionality?
So please,
the website is one thing. I'm going to share now.
I'm going to stop sharing, I guess.
Got it. So everything that you're seeing that Dottie was showing from the web, extensions, that whole thing that our parents don't do inside their browsers. But if you download the MetaMask app, log into your wallet, select browser. Let's see if this guy's showing up. Am I showing up correctly?
You're recording your home screen.
Yeah. I want to make sure that I'm showing up here. Here it goes. Yeah.
Here we go.
So inside your wallet, I'm running inside MetaMask. Go to browser. Go to app.darkblock.com. You can just type it in.
.io, sorry.
Oh, app.darkblock.io. Forgive me. Connect with your wallet. Since we're in MetaMask, we'll go Ethereum. I'm worried that I didn't even connect it. I'm being so clicky. Let me reload this. Here it comes. Here she comes. Nothing like live demos with my hardware all connected funky. Let's see if I can get a reload here. Switch. I might be on another network. Let's see what I got here. And then it's going through the internet on my computer since I'm connected to the phone. I'm getting sweaty, Dottie. I promise you guys this all works. Fire up app.darkblock.io, connect your wallet within MetaMask, and you'll be able to consume the dark blocks right there from within the app. I'm going to close this.
I'm going to show you. I can show you here, Joey.
Thank you.
I can try. Let's try it. I'm setting up my mobile screen sharing situation here. Let me see.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm literally sweating now because I hate when demos, have intangibles.
That's the beauty of live content. It's everyone out there watching us can see who we really
Thousands,
are under the blush.
The millions.
They can see my screen here. Okay.
We can't
awesome.
see
Let's
on
do.
your screen yet. You're not sharing.
I'm not sharing. Okay, there we go.
Oh,
I thought you were watching
now it works on my phone, so it's awesome. It's great.
See my selfies here. Okay, I'm gonna it works now. Is it too late for me to share? You want to do it?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Go for it.
Dude,
Go
this
for
is
it.
supposed to be raw. This is supposed to be unedited. So I'm logged in with my MetaMask wallet. Here's Buddy again. I'm going to click him. Oh, now it wants to go. Maybe it's the OBS? I don't know what is the problem. He gets shy when people watch. If I were to turn off screen sharing, it works perfect. All right, guys. I'm going to stop sharing because it's not reloading.
Okay, I'm going to step in then because my internet seems to be okay over here.
It's great. And yet I'm streaming.
Let me see.
From the same internet. Thank you.
As me. Or let me see. Change share window. Here we go.
Oh, and now it loads up.
Joey, you can't say that every time that I'm just about to go live. There we go.
But then I go back and it won't. So it's not the. It's something. With my...
You jinxed it. So I'm here and I've got my $2 here on my Phantom wallet. Okay. Don't hack me because all my private keys are here just on my desktop. So it's very accessible. So I'm gonna go to the browser. I'm on Phantom here. So Joey was on Ethereum on MetaMask, but it works here as well. You go into our app here in the browser. You connect the wallet. We go to Solana, and then we're in. And here we got Buddy. Let's check out Buddy because we like him so much. You know, I could mint here, but let's just do the unlocking. I'm gonna sign, and I'm in. So there we go. And I want. Okay, you're in there as well.
Yeah, it's just bugging me. Like it's because I was connecting it to my computer to share the screen. Like this bad boy works. I'm pulling the.
We got 3D models over here, Joey. You got 3D models over there as well, or?
Yeah, me get one. Buddy,
amazing.
Metaverse.
Buddy, me and you, buddy. We're gonna go in the metaverse now with our unlocked 3D model.
All right, we're at 26
so
minutes.
I mean, amazing. 26 minutes. We're 11 minutes over.
Let's summarize.
Let's summarize.
Yeah, and then wrap this bad boy up so everybody can go live their lives. Turn off your screen sharing. We'll go back to. All right. So Dottie, let's recap what we learned today. We learned that you're a musician and that you've got a SoundCloud and an album drop coming up.
Stay tuned.
We've just got a photo from Slack of Jeremy watching us, which is hey Jeremy, how you doing, man?
He's our #1 fan.
#1, hit like, subscribe. So we learned about what is a Darkblock. We learned about the new feature of content stacking, having multiple dark blocks associated with an NFT. Anyone who creates an NFT on 4 chains that we have active right now will be able to mint a dark block. We have a full API. We have NPMs for developers. We have embeds for WordPress folks who want to cut and paste a dark block on their website. Just about every level of developer we can support. What else? Different content types.
File sizes. API, no problem. Up to 1 gig.
Yep.
Our new web app, little limitation there, a few more days, but yeah. So, yeah, what more?
I think that's it. We're going to be at 30 solid minutes. We appreciate you guys hanging out. I don't see any questions. It might just be like my mom and wife watching.
To all 5 people who are watching, to Joey's mom and to Joey's wife, we are going to NFT NYC, of course. So if Joey's wife and Joey's mom, if you're going to be in New York, hit us up. Jump into our Discord, of course, and we'll invite you to all the parties that we can. We're going to. Sugoi is our partner. We're doing a party with them. That is the amazing Logic. He's doing a really cool party. We're so happy and lucky to be part of it. So he's going to do a digital swag bag. So we're going to and he's going to leverage Darkblock to do that. He's going to drop all this exclusive digital content and who knows what else to the people who come and who mint the NFT from his party. So yeah, be there or be square, as they say.
And for all the, just hit us up on our socials, as I had somebody ask me about that. Yeah, thank you guys for the time. We're hanging up. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.
Bye. Nice one, Joey. I did not see it. I didn't have it up because I was like sharing like let the world to see what was going on there. Oh my god, that was a close call. I was just about to